Welcome to Tech Digital Lifestyle. In this tutorial, we will explore the working principle of the MAN B&W S-C type marine diesel engine, focusing on compression stroke. The compression stroke is a critical phase in the engine cycle, where fresh air inside the cylinder is compressed to a very high pressure and temperature. As the piston moves upward from bottom dead center to top dead center, all inlet and exhaust valves remain closed. This process prepares the air for efficient fuel combustion. In MAN B&W slow-speed two-stroke engines, the compression stroke plays a key role in achieving high thermal efficiency and reliable engine performance. Understanding this stage helps marine engineers operate, maintain, and troubleshoot the engine more effectively. During this stage, the piston rings provide an effective seal between the piston and cylinder liner, preventing air leakage and maintaining compression pressure. At the same time, the cooling system protects engine components from excessive heat generated by compression. Proper compression is essential for smooth ignition, reduced fuel consumption, and long engine life. In this video, we will continue to break down each step of the compression process with clear diagrams and simple explanations. Watch and learn the full tutorial.